morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. So, as we know, we are seeing nowadays this coronavirus is spreading more and more. I am telling to every student, please stay at home, stay safe. I am Anil Kumar, your social studies teacher. Today I am going to teach the fundamentals of social studies. Before I start these fundamentals, I will ask one or two questions. So that is, where we are living. So we are living on the earth. You know how it is shaped. Its shape is rounded like this. So did you see the globe? So now I want to show you a globe. It is indicating like our earth. So here this is the globe. This globe is round in shape. This blue color is indicating water bodies. That means oceans. The green color part, this entire part is indicating land area. So as it is called continents. So we are living on this earth. The earth is look like a globe. The globe is round in shape. Then where we are living? We are living on the earth. So what is our country name? Our country name is India. Where is our country lies? Our country lies in Asian continent. Did you know how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. So there are 7 continents. We have to discuss one by one. The first one is Asia, and second one is Europe, and third one is Africa, and fourth one is North America, and fifth one is South America, and sixth one is Australia, and seventh one is Antarctica. So we are seeing one by one. The first one is Asia, the second one is Europe, the third one is Africa, the fourth one is North America, and fifth one is South America, and sixth one is Australia, and the last one is Antarctica. So where is our country lies? Our country lies in the Asian continent. Not only our country, there are some other countries are there. They are India, next one China, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, and some other countries are there. Amongst all these continents, Asian continent is the biggest continent. So here also we have to see India and China is there. So according to we see the population, so China occupies the first place in the world. The second place occupies India in second place in population. These are our continents on the earth. Next, just we are moving to oceans. How many oceans we have? we have five oceans. So large bodies of saline water,
5 minutes again.
large bodies of saline water, which is covers a major portion of earth. They are called oceans. So there are five oceans. The first one is the Pacific Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean. Fourth one is Arctic Ocean. And the fifth one is so these are the five oceans. The first one is the Pacific Ocean. Second one is the Atlantic Ocean. The third one is the Indian Ocean. The fourth one is the Arctic Ocean. And the fifth one is the Antarctic Ocean. Amongst all these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. Okay, these are all the water bodies on the earth. So now I have to show the maps where the continents are lies, where the oceans are lies. So see, so this is the continent. So first one, as we all see now, the first one is Asia. It is the biggest continent. So here second one is Europe. So third one is Africa continent, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. These are the 7 continents there. Next one I will show the oceans. So here there are oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, last one Antarctic Ocean. These are the oceans on the earth. So I want to give some homework for you. These continents and oceans you have to write down 2 times. Okay? We will continue next class. Thank you.